Hey guys, what's up? Little update on the goings on in the back here. And you can clearly see the water out there now, because it's all got this all cleared out now. It's like getting looking like it used to before. And yeah, there's a papaya tree right there. So, and that's right behind our house. We can get us some papaya. But the guy is down here doing some work down here. He was so close to the edge right here that you couldn't even see. He was over in this area. You could barely see the top of his the arm of the backhoe there. And yeah, let's see what he's gonna do now. Maybe he's gonna go up the hill, I don't know. But we'll find out. Yeah, it's in great progress. This is like day 3, I believe. But look like he's gonna come up the hill because it is 11:45, so it's probably lunchtime. But let's go over here and check this out. Over here, Philippine dog. I'd like to get a dog here someday. But if I'm gonna get one, I'm gonna get a Chihuahua. I like those Chihuahuas. So let's go out here to this side here. Check out the side. Maybe swing around the front here. I will go like this so you can see. But there's those nice flowers there, man. I'm telling you, those are nice, pretty flowers. It's a freaking rose bush. That's what it looks like. There's the malunggay. Take those leaves off those stems and make yourself some, you steep it like a tea and get yourself some health Filipino people use it for health reasons. So let's go out back this way. Oh, he's up on the other part over there. So he's gonna tear apart that bushes and make that clear. So I don't know what's going on here. Maybe they're gonna build something out here, or just make it, refresh it a little bit, and like that. Not sure. But out in that area, I told you they were going to do condos from before, but because of the situation in the world the last couple of years, 2.5 years or whatever, almost 3, there are pads out there. You can see the cement pad right out in that general direction. Barely see it through this camera, but there were pads out there that was going to be where they were going to build or at least have the driveway for the condos that were going up out there. But I think we got a good spot out here for this house. You know, you don't have nobody behind you, but you got that you know, beautiful area back out in that area there. You know, you can see the coconut trees and other type of trees and stuff like that. It's really nice. And the only thing that I wish we would have done is put a window in this part of the bedroom, but the wife didn't want one there, so it's okay. It's your house. So anyway, guys, just to give you an update. We'll check in later. Everybody have a good one. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See y'all later.